Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix frequent BSOD when PC or laptop is in sleep in Windows. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, /available sleep states. Only one S1 sleep state is available. Type power CFG space, /sleep study, sleep study report file is saved. If no sleep state available, disable sleep option. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.